Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting data. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or to a computer so nothing is lost. Once done, go to Settings and disable notifications app by app to stop distractions. Make sure Do Not Disturb is scheduled and set focus to phone calls only. Next, remove widgets from home screen and reduce home screens to 1. This immediately simplifies interaction. These first moves cut noise and set a safe base for deeper restrictions. Do them now before altering apps or accounts. You now tighten control using screen time. Create a screen time passcode and schedule app limits for social, games, and streaming. Once set, go through each app and either delete or hide it in the app library. For must-have tools, tuck them into a Utilities folder on the last page. Make sure to disable background app refresh and restrict location and cellular access for non-essential apps to conserve battery and prevent background pings. These steps reduce temptation and connectivity, turning the phone into a functional, limited device. You finish by simplifying communication. Disable iMessage or set it to contacts only, and turn off message previews and notifications so nothing pops up. Once done, pair widgets to clock, phone, and calendar, and choose a plain wallpaper to reduce visual clutter. Make sure Face ID/passcode stays active and screen time passcode is stored securely. If something breaks, like missing calls, check Do Not Disturb and silence unknown callers first. Then reboot the phone and re-enable permissions, one at a time, to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.